Hey, what's good? It's your boy jantointhedon. So a little bit about myself. I've been a six-figure coach for over 10 years. I retired myself in 2014. I haven't worked for anyone since. With that being said, my question to you is what could you do with an extra $16,000 every single month? Before you answer that, think for a second. What would you do with it? How would you live? Who could you help? Knowing that even if you spend it all, it's coming back again next month. I want you to really visualize your breakthrough and how that will look. What would you do to make that kind of income? So my brand is Retire Life. I'm literally known for helping people make extra income and retire early. I can give you a simple and proven step-by-step blueprint to get there, no matter who you under. All you got to do is the basics. And when I say basics, I mean the bare minimum. But in my experience, I know no matter how simple it is, 95% of y'all won't do it. But you know what? I'm going to show you anyway, just to see if you're going to prove me wrong. And if I don't hear from you after you watch this, I'll know I was right. So, did you know it only takes 7 membership sales, including yours, to unlock the entire VYB Legacy Network? And including yours, it only takes 5 to unlock the full comp plan. But today, we're going to make it even easier. Not counting your membership. You only need 3. Bare minimum, remember? The real question is, are you willing to do the bare minimum? So the blueprint is, number 1, sign up for a free guest account and then purchase a membership to make yourself active. Number 2, plug into myvibe.io. That's our resource hub. Join the Telegram chats and poke around a little bit. Number 3, schedule your launch call on day 1. And I said schedule, not do it. Just schedule it. All of this is real simple, so we still on day 1. Number 4, make a list of 50 to 100 people and circle the top 10 prospects. Number 5, do your launch call. And when I say do the launch call, all I mean is go to the website and press play.
Okay, welcome to VYB.
Everybody can do this. Number 6, after your launch call, follow up with the people you invited to get your 3 sales. Format is something like this. As soon as you get those sales, assume they're going to quit if they don't make enough to pay their monthly membership, because that's what's going to happen in most cases. The 7th and final step, duplicate that same process with your 3 people so that they can teach their 3 the exact same thing you taught them. When you teach your team to duplicate, it makes your life way easier. Now imagine this. What if your team duplicated this simple process for 7 weeks straight? Or even if it took a whole month for everybody to make just 3 sales, would you die if it took 7 months to make $16,000 every single month?
Did you die?
Matter of fact, I'm going to make this even easier for you. One thing is for certain, numbers never lie. And when you study the law of numbers, you'll realize consumers fall into 3 categories. Number 1, the hard-nosed customer. They make up about 80% of all consumers. That's a firm no in most cases. Even the best closers will struggle with them. Number 2, the maybe customer. They make up about 10%. They are not looking to buy anything, but they're open to listen. They can be persuaded with a decent enough offer. Last but not least, number 3 is the easy buyer. Those people are actively looking for exactly what you have to offer. So no matter how bad of a salesperson you are, they're ready to sign up today. True story. A few years ago, I was thinking about joining a Forex company because I didn't have to deal with people, but I hadn't gotten around to looking at all. The exact same day that I was having this thought, a young lady messaged me about joining a Forex company. Her pitch wasn't great at all. Under normal circumstances, I probably wouldn't have joined her, but she just so happened to reach out at the right time to tell me about her business, and that's all it took. Coincidentally, that company was called Tradera. The same company, my mentor, who is now the co-owner of VYB and was earning $100,000 a month in at the time. Ironic, huh? Anyway, there's a lot of buyers out here. You just got to go through the numbers to find them. So again, the $1 million question is, if I told you there was 3 guaranteed yeses in a 50 unit apartment building, would you knock on every single door to find them? Do you want it that bad? If you say yes, perfect, because that's exactly what your phone represents. And the only way to find your yeses is to make some phone calls or get out in the world and talk to people. Go to a mall or somewhere with high traffic. So I'm going to show you an example. But before I do that, I got to go over a couple things real fast. First thing you need to know is what PCV is. It stands for personal commissionable volume. Think of it as personal points that you accumulate when you personally sell a product or a membership. It's based off of personal sales, not your team. Anyhow, your PCV is how you are paid. VYB pays you a certain amount depending on the PCV of the product or membership sold. So we're going by PCV, not memberships. You can't say 7 membership sales make you legend qualified if all 7 came in as pros, because you would actually need 11. Or if they came in at elevate, you would need 44 of them. Since your membership counts towards your PCV, your membership will make you a rookie. But for the first 45 days, the company is allowing everyone to start off as connector. Sell 1 membership outside of your own. That'll give you 2 and it'll make you a qualified connector. Sell 3, that'll make you a creator. 4 makes you a promoter. 5 will make you influencer. 6 will make you icon. And 7 will make you legend qualified. So technically you need 6 more plus yourself. Okay, now that we understand that, I'm going to focus on legend memberships because legend has the highest PCV. Besides, a boss can't see themselves as nothing but a legend. I already told you the steps, but I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to play out. Purchase a membership, schedule your launch call, make a list, sign up 3 people. Because you creator qualified, you make $5 for each one. Duplicate by telling them to do the exact same thing. When they do it, that gives you $60. When they team duplicate, 27 more people join your team and you at $195. When those people duplicate, another 81 people join your team, you at $600. When those 81 people duplicate and get their 3, 243 more people join your team. You at $1,815. Because you creator qualified, you got 7 levels open. When those 243 people duplicate, 729 more people joined your team. You at $5,460. When those 729 people duplicate, 2,187 more people joined your team. You at $16,395. But the only thing you got to focus on is going through the numbers to get your 3 and to tell your 3 people to do the exact same thing. So with that being said, there's 3 type of people. Number 1 is you could have stopped at $16,000 a month. Where's the link? Sign me up. For that person, get back to the person that sent you this video and get started. Number 2, you might just need some questions answered. Get back to the person that sent you this video and we'll get your questions answered. Number 3, you may not think it's for you. That's fine. Thanks for taking the time to look at the video. Maybe you know somebody that would appreciate this. But just know, if you ever get tired of living paycheck to paycheck, there's a blueprint here waiting for you. So anyhow, for those that decided to get started, let's get at this money, and I'll see you on the beaches of the world.
They said I never make it, now they see me.